Hello! So now, ipapakita ko po kung paano gamitin ang ating Lada Skin Facial Cleanser. So, facial foamer. So, ayun, nabuksan ko na. And we just need to remove the cap. And then, habang minamassage niyo yung mukha niya, it has to be damp, medyo basa. Tapos, ipapump yun lang as you go along. Okay? Make sure na iiwasan nyo yung under eye area. So, ang maganda dito kasi habang ginagamit mo siya, namamassage yung mga part ng face. Diba? So, it's like a combination of cleanser with jade roller, ganyan. Parang yung logic niya is the same. So, kahit sa neck, pwede. Okay. So, we're done.